Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Ghil. Today in this video presentation, I am going to throw a light on the questions related to the STEM education system and try to solve those questions. STEM education is a system that helps children to start learning and grasping basic knowledge at an early age. I think everyone knows this thing, but the questions related to the STEM teaching strategy, like how it helps and what is it and what is the concept all about, are still unsolved. In today's era, technology evolution and innovation has gained massive attention in the education sector. STEM education is one of those examples. STEM brings a change in early education with the motor to create an interest and curiosity of learners in the lessons. Now, the definition STEM education consists of a curriculum based on the idea of educating students in four specific disciplines. The term STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, mathematics. STEM is a where the teacher teaches the students in a consistent manner rather than isolation. This strategy emphasizes practical learning rather than the old passive listening learning. The subjects that consist in the full form of words STEM are mainly focused by the teacher to teach the students. Now let us see the comparison between the traditional learning and STEM education. Earlier, the learning system asked the children to choose one subject out of these four objects, but this innovative system of education brings a paradigm shift in the system because the subjects are correlated to each other and can't be separated from each other. They must be taught together. STEM fills the gap between the classroom and real life. Now, let us check the importance of STEM methods help the learner and all the students to learn things with experiments. They get the opportunity to learn new things and see new technology. Also, learners can also test the ideas or lessons they learn in their class. Moreover, it helps to generate creative and innovative ideas to solve their real and complex. Basically, there is a list of steps that children can easily learn through STEM that are as follows: critical thinking, digital literacy, self reflection, communication and confidence development, creativity, and problem solving skills. Why STEM? This is a question that comes in the mind of every person who ever heard about this STEM education system. And still, many people have doubts in their mind why we should give importance to the STEM activities instead of our traditional learning system. Because it is not easy to accept or adapt the changes, especially when the former system is in practice from the past more than hundreds of years. Now, practically speaking, it has been observed that children learn and gain knowledge with more curiosity when they experience the lesson and connect it with real life. The United States achieved 80% of their growth because of their human skills and their mastery in knowledge of science and mathematics. But we don't find that level of knowledge and satisfaction according to the present needs. In last 10 years, the candidates from STEM education get 3 times more job opportunities as compared to the non-STEM candidates. Now let us see the methods used under the STEM teaching strategy. There are basically 3 methods of STEM, that are: number 1, project based method; second, problem based method; third, inquiry based method. First two methods are very common and similar methods. In the first method, children learn things by participating in a project, and there they use the knowledge to create innovative results. For example, designing an application. In the second method, the children get a case study based on the real life problems, and their children have to apply their critical thinking and decision making skills to solve those issues. Last but not the least one is a very effective and frequently used approach. Here, the teacher emphasizes the children to play an important role in their learning. They make a scenario where children generate curiosity and ask questions while learning. Now, let's ideas or strategies related to STEM learning. First is linked to the science. Science is a vast subject. It includes biology, chemistry, and physics. If we talk about the learner at early age, we cannot teach them the level of science knowledge that is taught in 10th standard. But yes, science as an integrated subject of STEM, so we can teach them about the plant life and non-living things through a method of exploration, inquiry and research. It will be curious for learner to learn how to grow plant. Second, link to technology. Technology can facilitate the exploration of STEM subjects and provide support for students to connect different disciplinary ideas. Example, when using simulations. Technology also encourages students to reorganize scientific and mathematical ideas in a new way. Example, building robots or creating content. Is to link to engineering. Engineering is otherwise very high level education, but as it is part of STEM education, so we can teach children the basic activities while having fun playing like children try to build the table with sand but fails every time. If we give them clay, then it will be successful attempt. Not the least, it is linked to mathematics. Solving the mathematical equations at early age is difficult. We cannot teach the children to fit the volume or area of cylindrical shape. Yes, we can teach them the name of apes, and they become able to identify the difference between two. Conclusion. To conclude, I would like to state that generation is intelligent and their knowledge gaining level is beyond our expectation. The only thing we can do for them is to make their lessons interesting and relevant to their real life things. That's all for this presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.